Brian Plain, it's important for you to understand that overbloated CMG and that trade management that we featured in 4 of all of these videos that you're uploading right now in live market action. A lot of them is the Trader Network has been trading these long and short all day going into the earnings. Apple plus 4.86, $9 on CMG.
New high, 289.
Look at that. Look at that. Run that thing into the close. $8 million came
4
in there.
minutes left.
Qualcomm, 64 million, 15 million shares. FFIV going up. All of these stocks are going up. Any big pop, we're going to take advantage of that after hours market. You better stay tuned with stockmarketfunny.com because this is done live after hours. We are experts. That is a gift and a trade. And here they are now. Here's how they're closing. And we're getting ready. 2 minutes. Resume. Here we go, MMT.
Back to the highs on FFIV.
Back to the highs. Where else are we at? Over here, Apple. Look at that. Still ripping. Look at that. They just dropped that CMG here on this tick chart right here. Look at that Apple right there. It's consolidating. Here's a tick chart we have set up for Apple as well for after hours. The thing about it is it's the fabulous 4 on after hours. Look at that Qualcomm. Look at that CMG. We're moments away.
FFIV at 100%.
This is the way they're going to close. Look at that volatility. Look at that. And we're going into after hours. That's where we get our better prices, my friends. We got bids way below the markets and way above the markets for selling short and way below the markets for going long. We've covered the full mathematical drop that bid, walk that dog to the short, slide it, whatever they're going to be doing. It is live here and now. It is live going into the closing bell, 4/20/2011, 12:59 p.m. Live at the price print in each one of these names. Plus, we got those after-hour tick charts. Plus, we get to rejoice in the price action movement, and we're going to try to steal some bids. Look at that. They're breaking that thing higher. We are going higher right into the closing bell. Look at that. Look at it close. We're going to get right down to the wire, and then we're going to start another one right after this one. Look at it. Up $8. Look at them race. They're all reporting earnings.
Dropping in CMG, dumping 90,000 shares.
Dumping CMG, 90,000. Repeat that to me.
90,000 share dump, 92, 97, 97,000 going into the close.
There's the bell. Look at the share. Oh, my goodness.
280. Whoa. We just dropped $10.
We just dropped $10. I hear 280.
$10. 271.
Look at it drop. It's here. It's live. CMG. We got hit. Look at that. 272. There it is, folks. Man, it dropped right into the close. I couldn't even start a new live entry on this one. Look at that volatility right there. Look at that stock traded down.
Back up to 280.
Okay,
Qualcomm
so
jumping.
Qualcomm up to 56. Get it right there. We got Qualcomm moving. There's that CMG.
And a quarter.
What did I say? Don't short it there. You had to hit that one long. You got to let it pull back and get in that one.
Force. Coming down 275. 275.
All right, get this one on the pullback. There's that Qualcomm print. Look at that 3.6 bar.
73.
Nice move on Qualcomm.
276.87. Nothing on Apple. Nothing on FFIV.
Okay.
CMG dropping still.
CMG is dropping. What a short.
72,
we talked about that short. We got hit, and after hours, I'm being told on the teletype.
270, 270.95.
Look at that CMG tank. Now we're getting that pullback. Wait a second. Listen, Qualcomm's pulling back. Get ready to get another entry. You exited at the top. I don't know all the earnings report. This is the knee jerk. Buy that knee jerk. Buy that knee jerk. That's that Qualcomm. That's that spike down. We got Apple Computer. It hasn't reported yet.
FFIV falling, 97.
Whoa, FFIV is taken.
97.73.
There it is right there.
97.73.
There it is right there. Qualcomm's a trade. We got guys in that one. We got guys in it. MMT short on that CMG. Overbloated stock. Qualcomm came down and hit that. Bounced like a rocket. It's trying to, digest its earnings news, and I got to get to the earnings gap, find out what the guidances are going to be in all of these names. I don't have any reports yet to report. I will in the next video, though. We just wanted to make sure that people didn't miss this knee-jerk reaction and why we got long that Qualcomm and sold into it before we even reported earnings. I had people long. I said, sell at 57.50. Mr. Schubeck knew it. Up there at 57.50, it would hit it. It hit it. We exited it. Now we're going to figure out what to do with it. Okay, I'm going to get ready to pull over another chart. That's going to be on the Apple tick. Here,
275 on
here's
CMG.
the Apple right here, 275 on CMG. 275, we're going to have to buy to cover at that lower end of that, bottom of that price action volatility right now. We're covering. We're covering. We're going to buy to cover in that knee jerk. It's 276. They're starting to run that one back up on that CMG. Qualcomm was buy that dip, sell that rip, buy that dip, sell that rip. Two entries, buy that dip, sell that rip. Buy the dip, sell the rip.
Coming up higher on Qualcomm.
Okay. We already covered our shorts a long time ago. They're bringing the CMG back up there. We'll look for another short. I'm waiting on the All-Star Apple trade.
4.5.
Look at that CMG haircut. We talked about it had to come down. You thought it was overbought. We had it. That one needed to be slaughtered. Valuations are not going to be there with the consumer moving forward. It's a long-term manipulative type high price action volatility. You can take advantage of it. We got another short up there, right up there, coming out. They popped it to 276, right back down to 270. That's that trade working. Qualcomm long
starting
is working.
to move.
FFIV is moving. It's working. We got to get ready to sell into that. It's up to 103. We talked about that getting up to $115 in that in the last video. There is also, we got something moving on Apple at 344. FFIV. Let's take a look at that Rip City and FFIV. We can see it right here. We hit that high side right there.
They sold into it at 105.
105.
Low on CMG.
105 is 105, but doesn't break it. It's a short. It's an exit. Take all profits. 104. I'm talking about on that other PA. You guys right there. Make sure you got them all. Bank it. Then, if it wants to break up to the 108 handle, you could always get another order. This is the after-hours tick chart on FFIV. FFIV hitting that 106 area. Nice. Remember, last quarter, FFIV dropped $35 on earnings. So they came back with this earnings, and they got a little bit of rejoicement back. Nonetheless, it's still cheap down here at 106, depending on what the earnings report has to say. Right now, we're waiting on this big bellwether Apple computer, and you can see here that if I put that tick chart right there, there's that print. There's that print, 344 print. There's that chart. There's that print. All these other ones are kicking. That CMG is a wonderful short in after hours. This one here, volatility trade to the upside. They came in. I don't know what the numbers are. I will be reading them in different videos. Didn't I say Qualcomm goes to 59? Blue Sky to 59. Go to stockmarketpunting.com. We have them entries down there. I said if you break above 57.50, you got Blue Sky to 59. You got Blue Sky to 59 on any pullback in after hours. It's a buy and sell the rip. It's a buy and sell the rip. Say buy and sell that rip. Oh, I love it. Say, hey, when I walk that dog up there, sell short back down. If it goes up to 276, sell it short back down. Stock close at 288. It's in an after hours range. Okay, so it's dropping from 276 to 270, back up. It's got a $10 up and down spike, both long and short, on that CMG. Qualcomm, on the other hand, is going to see 59. That's what we said. On the other hand, I got to figure out a little bit more about how to, let that FFIV run. There's a lot of shorts on the name, a lot of negativity in this name right here. This name over here hasn't said nothing yet on Apple Computer. We'll be back.